های عزیز، خدا کنه خوش و صحتمند باشین هر جایی که هستین. امروز یک برنامه کوتاه داره که مورد یکی از بچه چا که هسته سیت بیلت ریزه شده که سیت بیلت کلان میگیری و اینالی فعلا کسی پیش اسکول آمدم دیگه اونا را بگیری از بعد بری طرف شاپینگ یک دانه سیت بیلت بخرین. اوکی دوستا، یک دانش اینجا آماده. Say hello. Hello. ای دیانه؟ دیان بگو امروز کجا رفته دی؟ Come on. دیان امروز باتانیک گاردن رفته ده، قد اسکول خو قد کلاس خو یعنی مپ هم آورده که یعنی تمام جایش را گشته امروز و اینو لیما در آمد قزمه قسمونه که کجا رفته چیز کار کرد. Okay دیان, can you tell everyone where did you go today? Yeah, where? Where? Botanic Garden. Okay. Who did you go with? Huh?
I went.
With your class?
Yeah, also room 21 and a room and a new reception, room 14.
Oh, there was a lot of people there. There's room 21, room reception, and room 22.
You do have the picture.
Yeah, you have the photo as well on the phone.
I do have.
I saw the photo. Where's Dion? Where's Donnie? Daniel kasa tausara namada. Toilet rafta.
No, Danny. I see Danny having a play.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. خب دیگه شب منتظر دیگه دانیال هستم. دانیال به
Daddy.
باز مال شاپینگ ماریم انشالله.
Daddy.
اوکی بای بای. خب دیگه دوستا دیگه اینا که هستم من موتر ششته رایی شده دیگه طرف شاپینگ که بری یک دانه بیبی سیت بخری بلده دیان دیگه و ما همراه باشیم دیگه و بچه چام ده پس پشتن ششته. City and all they got Toshoy Bori shopping. Boys, you ready? Hey.
Yeah.
We're going to get a seatbelt. What? We're getting. We're going. Yes. Yeah, Yaki?
No.
Okay.
Can I get it?
Okay. Oh, look at all the parts. Come. Where is she going? Where's the seatbelt?
Here.
Oh, here's the seatbelt.
Hey, Danny, look like
This is
that.
no. This is This is 0 to 4 years old. You're what? How old are you?
6.
You're 6 years old. So this is too small for you. Okay. Okay, maybe that one. Yeah, what's that? 4 to 8 years old.
I'm not 8.
You're 8 years. Oh, you're 6 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm halfway to 8.
Yeah.
Daddy,
6 to 8. See this one? 6 years old to 8 years old.
I'm half to 8. I'm halfway there to get 8.
You're halfway.
Yeah.
You're almost 8.
Daddy,
Dion, can you sit? Is it comfy? Yeah. Dion, can you sit? See if it's comfy. Tony, get up. Let Dion sit.
Wow.
You comfy? Yeah. Okay.
그럼 왜냐면
From nișaș tașt.
Şaş, dolaştı pokşuyor, ne olmuş? Hep güvenli şeker kan pasakita razdan uzun uzun.
Pasakiești.
Yani spontaneous desek kırmış.
Uda sit, da sit ćeš možda, kad sit čega pasake, ud pasakema sa. Quick for me, get it. Oh, look at this. What is this? Cow. Go. Okay, so come here.
Thank you, my chick.
I think we're getting this one for Dion, okay? Okay, so that's from 6 months to 8 years old. And Dion is, how old is Dion?
6.
Dion is 6 years old, so 2 more years he can stay in this, and then he can sit in the seatbelt, put the seatbelt on. Okay? So, and here, the party! Birthday party is too short to go, okay? What are you doing?
I like it.
No. Not getting it. Doesn't matter if you like it. Okay. What did you get?
I got wings.
Oh, okay. No, don't put it there. Jak słyszę snurlek. Okay. Jak składać?
Mami, götür kovuyor mamamın.
You don't
Okay,
get
so-
enough money. Too broke.
What?
Too broke.
Where's Dion? Dion, come here. Dion,
Mama.
Dion. Come on. Okay, what else are we getting?
Nothing.
Nothing. You don't want anything else?
Yeah.
What do you want? Dion, what are you getting? Here, you want to eat something? You want to get something to eat? Okay, go get something to eat. Okay. What are you getting? Okay, go get it. What is that?
I don't know, stretching thing.
Stretching thingy?
Look, it's different one too. It's pineapple.
Why? What's that?
Right.
Alright, let's go.
Wait.
Look at me. You had that one before.
Wait. Look.
Burger.
Look at this, a burger.
Eat it. Chicken burger.
Oh, yo, look.
We gotta stop this here. Alright. Where are you going? Let's go. Let's go.
Whoa.
What?
Daddy. Look, chicken. Bong. Daddy,
Yeah.
this is a yo-yo.
Yo-yo?
Yeah, yo-yo.
yo-yo?
Look. Daddy, I know this.
Alright, let's go look everywhere else. Come on.
Yeah. We already have a robot.
Where's the bikes? Oh, look at those bikes there.
Unfortunately, gift card scams are on the rise.
Oh.
If you think you may have been
Oh,
targeted,
come on, that's baby. Johnny, that's baby's bike.
Oh, look!
chaos, no prices for life.
It's for 5 years old.
That's baby's bike.
It's 5 years old.
Okay, get down, get down.
Look, that is 5 years old.
No, no, get down. That's for 5 years old. Don. Oh, watch out. Yeah.
Did you know?
What are these here? All the guns.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Did you know what? Did you know? You know which one is my favorite gun on my birthday?
Which one?
No, if you know.
Nothing big. You can, if you can't hold it properly, then there's no point. You gotta get a
Daddy?
small one, yeah.
I know a gun we can hold. I
Which
know a gun.
This one? Oh, look, this one.
Sniper. Sniper.
Yeah.
We already have a sniper. I'm doing minigun. We already have a sniper. Daddy.
No, we need a small one. How about this one, boys? Look at this. It's like
Daddy,
a gun.
remember we buy one for myself?
What?
I have one of those over there.
Okay.
Get a minigun. Well, Daddy, I know how to hold this minigun.
No, you can't. That's too big.
Dion, look.
Boys, that's too big.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, look.
Oh, look at this. This one is good.
Daddy, look. Why
Yeah.
not this minigun? Daddy, look, this minigun.
That's too big.
No, no.
It is.
I can hold it.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. What about
No,
the
you can't.
shotgun?
Oh, look at this. I love this one.
Dino.
This one, dinosaur gun.
Let me have a look.
You know what? I like this one. I like this one. Here.
Where did we put this?
Huh? Oh, you know what? This one? This got two revolvers. Like here, see? You can load it and then right. Hey.
Daddy,
Yeah.
look. Can I ask you a question? Daddy,
Yeah.
this minigun, it is 8.
Yeah, but that's chunky. Kill Hulk. Kill Hulk.
I like this gun. I like it. It shoots ammo, and I like it.
Okay, let's go. Ow, Donnie. Go.
Where's Mommy? Wait,
Okay.
Daddy's getting that. Right?
Mommy, what?
Mommy always gets lost in shopping. He
Yeah.
calls you all the time. That's what he gets.
Oh yeah, we got it. You got that for your birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one has a slide
Yeah.
and an
Oh,
octopus.
that's for babies.
Yeah.
We should get one of these.
Why? Oh,
Annoying.
Daddy,
Yeah.
we can go to the beach and do this.
Yeah, exactly. But first you have to learn how to swim. So if you can't swim, oh look at this, water guns.
What?
Water guns. Look.
Daddy, you know which one's my favorite one again?
You always have a favorite one. You always say my favorite one. What?
Don't do that. Yeah.
We're not getting it. It's not summer yet, okay?
The basketball. We only have 2 soccer balls.
Yeah, you all.
Wait, we have this game.
Yeah, you already have it.
We don't have it.
Yeah, yeah.
That one pushes on.
Just leave it there. Put it there.
Daddy, I know a game. First you need this and you grab a ball, you bounce it. When the ball falls, you lose.
Oh wow.
Mom, get it.
More shopping.
Daddy, this costs $7. That's it.
Yeah, but that's dangerous. More. We're getting it back. No, not that one. I think this is better. This one. Oh, this is too big. Ena, ninja. Ena. Oh, you got that gun. Did you change your gun? Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Push me.
Oh, get up. Let's go.
Oh, get that bike.
John, go. I can't see in front of me. Big load of shopping. Tony, what do you want? Come on. Did you get something?
No.
You want to get something to eat? Oh, you got something.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
What is that?
I don't want it.
You don't want it? Okay. Shopping na kadi, buddy.
Are you the converter bill was
Dion, show me your gun. How do you do it? You're holding your hand. Hey, there's a playground. You want to play at the playground?
Yeah. I already told
let's-
you that.
Yeah, let's put this in the car.
I'm not putting mine.
Look at this guy getting ready. Okay, just wait. You have to wait. Okay, make sure you don't hit the car. Okay,
Okay.
put it there. Okay.
That's it.
So we bought some sushi and you guys are eating sushi. How do you like it? Yeah, you like
it a
it?
lot.
What sushi are you having? Chicken
Chicken avocado
Chicken avocado, oh nice.
with rice.
What about you? What about you?
Yeah.
What are you having?
Chicken avocado
He's having chicken avocado as well?
and
You both
rice.
have, and rice? Oh, that's part of it. You like it? Yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Get the chicken in. Get the chicken in. The chicken? No, put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Do you guys play? In the playground? The fun? Yeah, good. What water did you get? So
Right.
now first we got the sparkling water. You didn't like it, and then we had the normal water. It's there.
I drink it.
You drink it. Do you like it?
Daddy,
No,
Daddy,
yeah.
I have to taste of the Sprite
Yeah.
and later. I had a little bit and
It's like soda, but it doesn't taste like soda. It tastes yucky.
it's not soda.
Yeah,
It's water.
it's water. What?
This is not water.
This is water, but it's sparkling water. Okay, that's why it's called sparkling water. You had enough? Okay, go play.
You wanna do it.
That's both of you water. Daniel.
Daddy,
Yeah.
what did it say?
Rayman.
Raymond.
Yeah, don't scratch it, please.
What? Can you show me?
Yeah, it says Rayman glasses. Where? Oh, looking cool. Where's your glasses? You lost your glasses.
I still hide it.
Tomorrow is Friday, yeah? So
Yeah.
last day of school. So what are you gonna do? Did you go to the library?
No,
Why?
because the
Did you return your books? You haven't. Return next week.
don't I need to have water?
Return after this week.
One more. Hey, don't melt it.
One left. That's for me. Yes.
No, you have the other one.
Yeah, but I had one. No, share it.
Break it in half.
No, we can't break it now.
Yes, we can.
Okay, let's go, boys home. Okay,
What?
you ready?
Yeah.
We done the shopping?
No.
Yeah, we did. We're going home. Shopping akadi?
No.
اینال کی هستن سونی خانه حرکت کنی. اوکی دیگه. خداحافظ. Bye bye. Say bye bye boys.
Bye bye.
See you later. Alligator.